So this is Unit 807 in Vendome Place. It is a 1.5. It has great views of the ocean, and let me take you around. So this is a great mid-beach location. To the north, you've got the Fontainebleau and Soho House. To the south, there's Faena and the Addition. Great restaurants. So Vendome Place was built in the 80s. It's got 82 units, a little boutique building. About 2 years ago, they had a big remodel. They redid the lobby, they did the hallways, and they put in impact windows everywhere. This is Unit 807, and one of the great things is you don't have any neighbors to the right or the left of you. Beautiful ocean view. And you've also got the bay behind you. It's a big, big balcony. You can see the owner is a surfer, so it's got that kind of surf shack feel. Kitchen. There's the half bath, and just to the left is a washer dryer. That's a king-size bed. And from the bed you can actually see the ocean, so you can wake up to it. Full bath and a walk-in closet. One of the best things about this unit is the maintenance fee. So it's $450, and it includes your cable, Wi-Fi, water, AC, all the amenities. It even gives you a beach chair and umbrella. Here's your parking spot, complete with paddleboard, pool, sauna. There's also a club room and a gym, and you're right here on the boardwalk. Just steps from the best part of Miami Beach with all that gorgeous wide sand. There is a beach chair with your name on it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.